Hi everyone, good day. I am Rose. I offer a wide range bookkeeping and the tax services. I have extensive experience in tax preparer and the bookkeeping services using the QuickBooks Online and the Zero accounting software. I also handled invoicing, bank and credit card reconciliation, billing, vendor and customers accounts, clean up and the catch up of books. Bookkeeping and the taxations are the main or the cornerstone of running a successful business. It can become overwhelming if you don't have time to deal with them. I've been exposed in different industries and willing to learn more and explore. I want to offer my service as a freelance bookkeeper to help business owner to give a clarity and accurate and a complete bookkeeping for preparing a tax season. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.